Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create sub bullet points in Google Docs. So what you'll need to do is basically go and create bullet points. So let me show you that. I will just copy some text for the tutorial, and basically I will put text right here. And what you'll need to do is basically copy this, not just copy but select this. Then what you'll need to do is basically I will zoom out a little bit and go right here to the list, click on that one and select a bullet points design. And now I have a bullet point right here. And now what I will need to do is basically click enter, then tab, and that's how you create a sub bullet point in Google Docs. And now you can create enter again to create a bullet point. So click tab, write something, click enter, and that's how you enter sub bullet points. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.